where we've been helping families make better insurance decisions in Michigan since 1917. We're going to keep this short and sweet, Derek, just like your new haircut. Uh, if you had a claim
Yeah, that
in
was
the
nice of
past
you.
few months or maybe in the past year, and now you're getting ready, your policy is going to renew next month. I'm a little anxious about my renewal, right? Is the insurance company going to renew my policy after my claim? If they do renew it, is the premium going to be really ugly? Can I even afford my renewal policy? There's one obvious answer for people who have had a claim and now are preparing for their upcoming renewal. What is that answer? Please get this right.
Well, those are great questions, and those are valid concerns I think many people have when they do have a claim. The good news is that if you have a decent insurance agent, they're not going to let you file a claim that's going to get your policy non-renewed without you knowing about it, right? So your agent's going to help you decide whether it makes sense or not to file a claim to begin with. The second part of that is the rate increase that sometimes is going to apply. It's usually not as bad as people expect. The agent is going to help you determine whether it makes sense to file that claim or pay out of pocket to avoid that rate increase in the future. So we're kind of weighing the cost benefit of filing that claim and what might happen in the future. But let's say
Okay,
it
and
did make
agree,
sense.
agree or not agree, right? That's how it works in the industry, right? In
True.
a $900 billion industry, doesn't care what Derek thinks or what Brian thinks. That's the way it works. So we've got to deal with the reality and then prepare accordingly, which is what, Derek?
True. So when your policy is going to renew, maybe you see a little bit of a rate increase, maybe you don't, but in any event, the solution is to increase your deductible.
Hmm,
Why? Well,
tell me.
that's a great question. So a lot of times having that higher deductible is going to do two things. Number one, it's going to disincentivize you from filing another claim. Maybe you had $1,000 deductible previously, and you're going to have a $5,000 deductible now. That means anything that's less than $5,000 isn't going to warrant a claim. There's going to be a lot of types of incidents that would fall under that $5,000 threshold. What's that going to do? It's going to help make sure your policy doesn't get non renewed in the future, one of those fears that people sometimes have when they have that first claim. Number two, it's going to put some money back in your pocket. It's going to reduce the cost of your insurance because you're going to be responsible for covering that higher deductible in the event of a claim. So you're not going to feel the impact of a rating increase on that policy because of that prior claim if one were to occur.
That makes good sense. So, one obvious solution: increase your deductible for your renewal policy. Two favorable outcomes: the renewal premium is going to be less, and you're going to have less likelihood of having to file a second insurance claim, at which point insurance can get very costly and sometimes hard to obtain. So if you had a claim, don't sweat it. No big deal. Everyone has a claim eventually, and then prepare accordingly, right? Get the right advice and set up your insurance plan for success going forward. If you have questions about your insurance plan, if you've had to file a claim and you're wondering what to do with your renewal policy, or if you haven't had to file a claim, but you just need new eyes on your insurance plan,
But you will eventually. I heard it
we,
straight from you. A little fear
I
mongering
said it.
from the
I
insurance
said it.
agent. Yeah, you will
Goodness.
someday.
We would be happy to help.